over that one more time, and this time from a slightly different perspective. We said conjunctives bring parts of a sentence together. In this case, what parts do we have? We have the ki tla tla. And what does ki tla tla mean? Ki, first person singular, tla, future, tla, the second tla means attend. Ki tla tla. Yes, that is the first part of our sentence. And what is this other part towards the end? Otla. Otla means you come or you attend. So this ha holo holo haiba is the conjunctive. Okay, would you like me to circle it up like that so you can see it? That is the conjunctive. And let me also mark these in a special way. I'll put asterisks on top of this section here. This is the first part of the sentence so that you can see it. And I'll put another asterisk here on this part of the sentence so you can see it. Sorry, my board is dancing as always. So